guys, so I know it's been a while since I last posted a video, but I just wanted to share some news with you guys that my family got some new chickens, and we got four new ones. So in total we have 8. 4 of which we don't know the breed of. So, whew, I'm sorry, but one of the chickens is in my sweater, clawing at my back, and this one right here is trying to. Okay, little Missy. Okay, little Missy. Okay. As you can see here, ow, which I guess she feels warm in here. But anyways, we used to have 5 chickens before these guys came, but the 5th one passed on due to natural causes. So, but I mean, yeah, we've got some new ones. You know, we've got some new ones. Yeah, and here, sorry about this, but are you comfortable there? Huh? Are you? Hope so, because you're clawing on my back for it. You're gonna pay for that later. Yes, I just gave my chicken a kiss. And I call her Sweet Pea, or Sweetheart. Here. I'm gonna help this one, since she wants to climb up onto my long arm. So, I'm gonna let her. But, this video isn't as really going as smooth as I had hoped. So, and there goes the second one. Oh God. But I guess you guys can call me a chicken whisperer. I guess. So would you get off of me? You're choking your sister to death here. You're practically sitting on top of her. But, yeah, I guess this is their way of saying they love me. Even if it's through painful claw marks and blood. So, yeah. Oh God, I hope they didn't break the skin on my back. But yeah, I guess they look pretty comfortable right here. So, but yeah, where's your sisters? Okay, so basically, these are only 2 of them, and the other 2 are, there's one right behind me, right there. So, ow, this is really hurting me, but you know, it's the price you pay. So I guess you could call me a chicken whisperer, I guess. So, since naturally all the chickens are coming towards me. So, but yeah. Oh God. But yeah, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.